Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Just as a reminder, paid Patreon, get end of day video reports. Every day I work on the car, extra pictures. So something for you to consider. But for now, let's get on. The cab is mounted, just gonna nip it back down. And can you guess what we're doing next? I just degreased the firewall on the inside with brake clean. And this is what 36 square feet of Killmat is going to cover. Can't remember what it used on the F71. It was something like this. I don't think it was Killmat. It may have been, actually, I don't know. No idea where I got it from either. Okay, seems to tear pretty easy. Came on. I didn't get the thinner roller. I guess now I know what the thinner roller is for. This. I'll mess with everybody now as worse OCD than me. I'm gonna do it the right way around. This is going to work out spectacularly well, trimming wise. Ooh, close. Very, very close. I think I may as well double up on all the seams on the transmission area because it's going to be among the noisiest places, so may as well not have any gaps there. And nobody likes a truck with the wrong noises. The right noises, yes, but the wrong noises, no. I got it. Definitely embracing the overlap now. Because I have plenty for now. Like, don't know if I'll do the whole cab floor, but we're going to be able to get all of the HVAC in and wiring and everything on top of this stuff. A lot of contours and a lot of overlaps, but what the hell? Let's double layer it. When one's good, two is better. Lovely. Right, that'll do for that. I'm going to leave this rest of the floor because I can't keep it clean because I keep jumping in and out of the car. So I should be able to build the dash up with that like that. I actually missed a couple of spots painting behind the dash, so just did that, waiting for that to dry. While we do that, I think we will paint the front panel. Be nice to get that on tomorrow, give them a bit more truck-like wiring. Still done, waiting in the wings. Be nice to get that front panel on, I think. The shot angle will get better. The planes will continue. Paint prep. The reason why I'm not a good painter is because I have that'll do's while painting. That'll do's while painting. That'll do's while painting lead to Rust-Oleum textured finished paint. I've got one of these fancy gun things because my wrists, thumbs, fingers, elbows, forearms, basically everything taking a beating right now. And the worst thing seems to be pressing the button on this one. If there's any painters from Singo watching this, I apologise. So for the record, don't buy it, it doesn't work. I have the paint booth set up between 82 and 90 degrees today. Okay. Whew. Prepped. Painting with my left hand, and I am not ambidextrous. I was actually cursing myself for leaving this on the fender and being lazy, but it holds it pretty well, so I'll wire wheel it now. Okay, I've had this Por 15 kit for ages and I used some of it on the back of the cab. This stuff goes a long way. So I've decided to do the underside because I want this to match the firewall. So top's going to be the hammered Rust-Oleum. So we are in the etching stage for that. And then out here in the exterior paint booth, this is what we're going to be hitting this with. That's the same stuff I used on the firewall. Black hammered. Kind of crazy, you open up the garage door in the morning and that greets you. Look how shiny the underneath of that liner is. I'm going to have to get more Por 15 now because I'm not going to be able to get anything else that's that shiny for the other side, and I've run out. Well, this is a good problem to have. On the cards for today is putting the electric, very needed garage door opener on, which I've not had the entire time I've been working here. And that happened, obviously. This is one of those sterile loom building environments. So we did pretty good on the loom. This can all get loomed up, and I was going to keep these as spares, these wires, but I don't know, it's so ugly. I don't know, it's killing me right now, but we'll see how that goes. My issue is the two gas pedal connectors need to be about there because the actual firewall in the cab is taller. It pulls these away from the gas pedals themselves, so if we move them down that way, it will be good. Okay, a good day has been had. I definitely have to keep my head together with how many times things are coming back in and back out and back in and back out, because doing the whole Crown Vic firewall with a truck dash is definitely, you know, interesting. So this wiring loom is going to come back out tomorrow, half of the dash. You can see it's unwrapped there because the HVAC controls are too far over to the right, so I've got to take them back over to the left because I want the HVAC there. HVAC is fully in. Anything else in here? So front panel is on, made mounts for the wiring, so that is there. That ran mid front panel on the Vic. Can't do that with this. Not willing to cut it up that much. The only issue I think I'm going to have is headlight wire length, but that's fine. I can lengthen that. Yeah, HVAC's in. Those hoses have not been connected to that for a long time. All the vacuum lines are starting to come back together. Yeah, so we'll have, I think tomorrow, wiring in the dash should be pretty much finished, and we'll start on the inner fenders, fitting them up. This one is going to be easier. This one is going to be a lot harder because I've got to cut it around here for access to that. Good day. And that's it for this one. If you liked the video, please do hit like, and if you want to stick around, hit subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.